Embarking on a Euro trip this summer is an inviting prospect filled with rich history, diverse cultures, and breathtaking landscapes. As you prepare for this unforgettable adventure, consider this your ultimate guide to navigating Europe with ease and enjoyment. Let's begin with planning your route. Europe is a continent brimming with iconic cities and hidden gems. Perhaps start in Paris, the city of light, where romance and art are tangible in its charming streets and historic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower and the Louvre Museum. From Paris, a short train ride can whisk you to Amsterdam, a city renowned for its picturesque canals and vibrant art scene. Alternatively, you might head south to Barcelona. Here, the vibrant energy of Catalonia comes alive in the whimsical architecture of Antoni Gaudí and the bustling La Rambla. Europe's well-connected rail network offers a seamless travel experience. Consider purchasing a Eurail Pass, which provides flexible travel across multiple countries at a fraction of the cost of individual tickets. It's not only economical, but also environmentally friendly, allowing you to traverse Europe while reducing your carbon footprint. When it comes to accommodation, options are plentiful and varied. Hostels offer an affordable way to meet fellow travelers, while Airbnb and boutique hotels provide a personalized stay. For a unique experience, consider Agri Turismo in Italy, where you can immerse yourself in rural life and sample authentic farm-to-table cuisine. Dining in Europe is an adventure in itself. Every region boasts its culinary wonders. In Italy, savor the creamy risottos of Milan, the wood-fired pizzas of Naples, and the delightful gelatos throughout the country. In France, indulge in buttery croissants, exquisite cheeses, and world-class wines. Don't miss the tapas scene in Spain, where small bites pack big flavors, often accompanied by a refreshing glass of sangria. Cultural etiquette is an important aspect of any Euro trip. While English is widely spoken, learning a few key phrases in the local language can enrich your interactions and endear you to locals. Simple greetings and expressions of thanks are a good start and can enhance your travel experience. As you traverse this fascinating continent, don't forget to embrace the unexpected. Some of the most memorable travel moments stem from unplanned detours and spontaneous decisions. Whether it's stumbling upon a local festival or discovering a quiet cafe in a bustling city, allow your curiosity to lead the way. Safety should always be a priority. Familiarize yourself with each country's security guidelines and keep copies of important documents, including your passport and travel insurance. Utilize secure options like hotel safes or digital apps for keeping your valuables protected. Finally, capturing your journey through photographs or a travel journal will create lasting memories to cherish. But remember, while it's tempting to photograph every moment, taking time to simply soak in the experience is invaluable. As you prepare for your Euro trip this summer, keep in mind that the essence of travel isn't just about destinations, but also the experiences and connections you make along the way. With this guide at your side, you're well on your path to an enriching European adventure filled with stories and treasures you'll carry with you for a lifetime. Safe travels!